Welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper. Hope you guys are having a lovely Monday so far. Hope you guys also check out our lovely sponsor, Market Cipher. Make sure to check out Market Cipher. Use code missteencrypto for 20% off or code Zesty, whichever one you like. I hope you guys are doing well. I want to say hi to everyone in the chat. I see we are popping out here. We have some viewers climbing up. We have some likes kicking up right now. If you guys could please smash these likes, share the stream out with friends, subscribe, comment in the chat. The more we interact with the stream, the more YouTube is nice to us. And I could use like some niceties right now. I need some love, guys. Please give me love. If you guys want to, again, have that goal in mind, we have a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers. So we're going to get after that. Rosenman on TikTok says, I'm the only reason they like New York City and gave me 8 roses. Thank you. I appreciate it. Holy sheesh. I had such a good day yesterday. If Jimmy is in the chat, I think Jimmy's in the chat. Jimmy is now my uncle. It's an inside joke. He's a really cool guy. Jimmy's awesome. And we went out yesterday and went on a helicopter with him. It was like a whole family ordeal. And I absolutely loved it. I had such a good time. I also gave Jimmy some cookies. He did tweet about the cookies. So Jimmy, in the chat, please tell me and let the audience know if my cookies are rated, underrated, how you feel about that. Because I think you're the only person out of this group chat that has tried my cookies. So let me know and let the chat know if it was really all they're cracked up to be. And be honest, you could roast me if you need to. Oh, Retro Mike, thank you for the hearts. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. I love hearts. I love love. Let's spread all of the love in the world, please. Hope you guys are doing well. I want to say hi to everybody in the chat. We have so many people. We got Jim, we got John Germain. Nice to see y'all. Hope you're doing well. Jim, welcome to Tunisia. Hope you're enjoying everything there. I know it's been a minute since you were here. We got Ozzy in the chat. Thank you for coming, Ozzy. We got Nash. Nice to see you. Long time no see to you too. Oval Boars here. Retro Mike, of course, with the lovely super chats already. Thank you so much for that, Retro Mike. We got who else? We got Bulldog. We got Digi. Nice to see you as well. I know Digi's always busy. We got Ken's Log. Much love to Ken's Log. Alexandra G. Big shouts to Alexandra G. She always gives me such positive vibes. I don't know. I see her pop up on my feed and I'm like, Alexandra G. Of course, Jimmy is here. Let's go. We got Automatic Beats, Jade the Treasure Hunter, Colin McKenzie. Who else? Automatic. We got Taco Berry. I love Taco Berry's PFP, just the chicken nugget. We had really fire chicken bites yesterday at the barbecue place with Jimmy. Oh, they were so good. We got Roland as well. We got Vinny saying peace and love to everybody. No G with the hype in the chat as well. Oh my gosh. Emma's here as well. Daddy-o, nice to see you. All right, we're getting after it, guys. We got War Player Armani. Please, everyone, drop a yar for Armani. We got Paul Christopher, Geek, Zippy. Nice to see you. Chad, what's up? Oh my gosh. I think I'm missing people. Josh V. Nice to see ya. Okay, Brokoshi, what's up? Gary Gensler, throw a cookie at MTC. I think we ate all the cookies. I don't know if there's any cookies left. I don't know. I gave a lot of them to Jimmy. I gave cookies to people at Emma's graduation this weekend. I was just giving out cookies. I'm like Mary Poppins, I have everything in my bag. I got cookies, I got waters, I got everything. I'm just crazy. We got Steven in the chat as well. Boo Man is here stopping by to say hi. It's nice to see you, fam. I have to set up my Rumble stream. That's what I forgot to do today. Damien, what's up? If you guys don't follow me on Rumble, rumble.com/missteencrypto. We got, who else? Did I miss anyone? I hope I didn't miss anyone. You just finished the last cookie. Jimmy, were they hype or are they overrated? Let me know. Let the chat know about your cookie experience. I don't think I saw your comment on that. If you did, we're gonna get into the show. Crypto Outcast, I think I missed you. How were the beignets? Oh sheesh, dude. Yes, Jimmy, we did. And Taco Berry, yes, we did try the beignets. Oh my gosh. Oh, Taco Berry, is that I feel like I know who that is. Jimmy texted me to confirm, but I feel like I know who that is. No, the beignets were fire, dude. And you know what? When we were talking about Zeppelis yesterday, Jimmy, we were talking about how basically what Zeppelis are. You go to an Italian festival, it's just dough, deep fried, and some powder on it. It tasted pretty much the same, the beignets, except the beignets were just a little bit lighter. And even when we brought them home, it was nice and crunchy. I was like, I love them. The beignets were fire, absolutely fire. And I just wish we had a little bit more time, because then I really would have like whatchamacallit, I would have had them there. I feel like if we actually had them at the restaurant, it would have been like top notch, but they were still amazing. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy you let me have some of those. I really love them. All of us did. I took a bite of them and I was like, yo. Yeah, and the powder was everywhere, but I was happy about it. I have the beholder. What's up? So Taco Berry's who I think it is. Okay, got it. Nice. Okay. Well, hi, friends. We're going to get after it, guys. We have a little bit of a price dippity-doo right now. And I think, so some news just came in about CZ Binance. It is FUD according to CZ Binance. We're going to jump into it, though. I want to talk about Bitcoin price because we are taking a dip, and that's why everyone's so interested in what's going on right now. So if you guys could do a favor, before I get into it, make sure to smash these likes, share the stream out with friends. We have a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers. Make sure you jump into the poll as well, because the polls are always fun. Okay. Woo, we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin. We love Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin so much. Bitcoin is $25,923, down 4.42%. Mis amigos. I know this is a little scurry. You guys are like, oh no, Bitcoin taking a dip. Holy sheesh. It's okay. Put on, your big boy boots. And let's deal with it, guys, because you know what? I'm not scared. We know Bitcoin is inevitable. Obviously, this doesn't change any opinion we have on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. This is a dip, maybe contributed to some news, but again, I am not scared. We've been trading in between this range of 27,000 and basically 28,400 for a while. We're breaking below that range. We did see a wick low on Friday, May 12th of like 25,800. We are at that point now, and I did feel like that could be that's why I had it circled here. I was like, maybe this is going to foreshadow our future. Then we did see another wick low. What date was this? This was May 25th. That was around 25.8 as well. And now we are at that level. We did have a wick low today of $25,518. A little scary, friends, but I am not scared. A lot of people are like, oh my sheesh, Bitcoin's going to zero. Oh my gosh. But I really don't think so, obviously. I really think Bitcoin is just doing its thing. It's pulling back a little bit. And that's healthy. We went up over 70% in just a few months. We've been sideways trading for basically 2 months at a time is just these period. This was 2 months. This was about 2 months. This has been over 2 months. This is what Bitcoin does. It pushes everybody to their freaking limits, guys. It is what it is. Like, you can't be scared. You can't be scared of the normal price action. The volume, I'm going to say, guys, isn't great. Where's the volume? Where are my bulls? Where is everyone? Everyone's sleeping. Everyone is sleeping. We have some momentum, and the VWAP, sharply declining below the zero line. I don't like the way that looks. We printed a green dot, then a red dot. So we have some mixed signals going on here. We got red money flow according to Market Cipher, which is kind of obvious. And we've been in this kind of limbo since May 17th, according to Market Cipher, within this red money flow. I'm not a fan of the red money flow. Of course, I'm not a fan of red money flow. I'm just hoping that this just picks up and we're able to just hang out, have a good time. Because as you can see, when this VWAP, this yellow wave went below the zero line, that's when this big red candle came out and like scared us all and was like, oh, sheesh. I mean, even if we just closed out the week. So if you take a look at the week, yesterday, we closed the week out and we had, of course, a red candle, sadly. We even had some red money flow here on the weekly as well. Oh, yes, on the weekly as well. And we're starting off our week breaking below the bottom of our range. Now, do you think we could have a nice rebound this week? I see someone on TikTok says it's a temporary dip. Real ones buy here. I mean, listen, Jay, I think anything under 30,000 Bitcoin is a gift, in my opinion. I think in the future, when we're looking at Bitcoin in like crazy amounts of ranges, I don't think it's going to be that bad. I think obviously in the future, people are going to be kicking themselves for not buying at this point. I really do. People are scared. This is when you make your moves. I mean, listen, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, whatever. Make your move, friends. If you believe in Bitcoin and if you believe in this asset, and you saw we went to 31,000 Bitcoin, $31,000 Bitcoin, April 13th, can we return there? I think it's inevitable in the future that Bitcoin is inevitable, price action is inevitable. So, if you guys feel like this is a good move, then do what you need to do here. A lot of people, we're under 1 year from the halving, which is good as well. So listen, I think there's going to be momentum that starts to pick up with Bitcoin. Obviously, the banking crisis isn't over. They're trying to fund Bitcoin with all they have right now. So that's what's going on with Bitcoin. A little bit of a dip today. Hopefully we could rebound live on this stream and we just give some good vibes to the stream. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. We're going to go over to Ethereum. Ethereum's $1,809, down 4.25%. We're breaking below this kind of mini range we had drawn out here from we had a range that we were sideways trading mainly between $1,820 Ethereum and $1,900 Ethereum. And we just like tested this $1,911 point multiple times over the past few days or over the past week. We literally tested it 2-3 times and failed. And now we're just breaking below this kind of midway point of $1,820. And it seems that we had a wick low today of $1,779. Again, I don't like that we're falling below, we fell below $1,800 Ethereum. I just wish the momentum would pick up again, because it seems like maybe if we just keep dwindling down, maybe we're going to be stuck in this range again that we were kind of stuck in from, let's say, March 17th to when we broke out of it on April 3rd. So I hope we don't like stay in this range, because again, it was just somewhere else that we were stuck for a little while with Ethereum. Granted that Ethereum made some independent moves, making its way up to $2,100 Ethereum, while Bitcoin was kind of lacking at the time, but still not enough crazy moves for me. We have also market Cipher still telling us that there's some green money flow going on here with Ethereum. There are some meme coins still going on, still pumping a little bit. The meme coin craze isn't as crazy as it was, I guess I could say, just because, I mean, people... If you look at Twitter, bottom line, things are getting spicy. That's all I can really say about the matter. Things are getting really spicy on Twitter. People are arguing. People are dropping coins. People are leaving the coins. It's just a freaking mess, guys. So again, if you're getting into those meme coins, please do your due diligence and have your know that you have to be risk averse. Nonetheless, again, Ethereum. How are you trading those meme coins? Paying those gas fees with Ether. And that's where this comes into play. So the green money flow is still being here despite this dip that we're seeing today. That's all right. We could take a look at the weekly for Ethereum. Again, we are starting the week off in the red. Last week, we closed out in the red. I think people people got confused. I think people are still confused as to where to put their money. I mean, the volume isn't really there. I'm not seeing a lot of volume. We have a dash of red money flow. It's not like deep red. So we just kind of been like dwindling on the zero line too, which is telling you like people just don't know where to put their money. They don't know if they should be super bullish, if they should be super bearish. Like I think a lot of people are confused. And even though we went up, let's go back to Bitcoin. Even though we went up like 70% with Bitcoin in only the matter of a few months, people still don't believe that like Bitcoin's back. Like I think Bitcoin's back. I think Bitcoin's always been here, right? I think Bitcoin's been in a bull market since its inception. I think Bitcoin obviously is so fundamentally irrelevant right now. People are lacking. People are sleeping. This might be another nap time, guys. This might be another nap time. Litecoin, the halving is coming up very soon, my friends. Very soon, Litecoin halving. Now, again, we continue to make higher lows with Litecoin. Right now, we're at $87.79. I was watching before. I was like, please, Litecoin, don't go below $90. Please, Litecoin, no. And it did. Not really happy about that. We had a wick low here. On this day, this was Thursday, May 27th. We had a wick low of around $82. We have a wick low today of $83.80. So we're getting really close to breaking like below that higher high. And because we've just been making higher highs consecutively with Litecoin, and I hope that this continues. But again, this scares me, guys. This red candle, I don't really like it. We started off the day here with Litecoin at $94, dipped. Not much price action the past 3 days previous to that, but I see some volume coming in for Litecoin, which is pretty good. It's been like pretty steady in terms of volume. Litecoin is just building up some momentum. If someone could give me the amount of days until the Litecoin halving, that'll be great. I believe it's, I want to say 55. I want to say 55, but I might be lying. We have some green money flow here as well. The VWAP popped confidently below the zero line, which makes sense why you're seeing this little bit of a dive here with Litecoin. But again, Litecoin is like so cool because it has so much momentum that it really doesn't need Bitcoin. Like last week, we saw Bitcoin was in the red and Litecoin was up 5%. How did that happen? Because Litecoin's really independent. It's down 6.5% today. And this is your Litecoins. I mean, even we could look at the weekly too, starting off the weekly in the red. But we did have a green week last week. We've had a lot more green weeks, I think, with Litecoin than Bitcoin, maybe. But again, consistently making those higher highs. So, man, or higher lows, I should say, not higher highs. I'm like all scrambled. Today I'm all scrambled. But we keep making higher lows. Like we just go up, we rebound, we go up, we rebound. So at least we're building up, friends. We're building up. We even have some green money flow. Hopefully this momentum keeps shifting, keep printing some green dots. I mean, listen, we had so much money flow going on here in 2021. I want to see that again. Even where was the money flow like the last halving about? I need to grab the date for the last Litecoin halving because I would love to see what like market Cipher looked like for that period of time. I need to get the date. I think that's some research I'm going to do today. The Litecoin halving charts. 60 days and 2 hours for the Litecoin halving. Let's freaking go. That's amazing. Thank you, BBB. Appreciate that. What's up, nifty guy? Okay. Also, Doge. We could talk about Doge. Just fell below 7 cents. We've been watching Doge for a while, my friends. A while. It's been sideways trading for weeks. This is the weekly chart for Doge. But friends, no, Doge, no. We didn't want it to fall below 7 cents, but it did. But I'm hoping it rebounds if everything else does. Poor Doge. Poor doggy. We got Joe Harvey. Nice to see you. Nifty guy is here spamming those Litecoin emojis. Litecoins, LOL. Yes, I like the Litecoins. Listen, it's fundamentally relevant. It's fast, cheap to use. All the good stuff. OmniLite, MWeb, everything. Zippy said the whole market is trading. Yeah, it's tanking. Yeah, we are dippity-doo right now. Dippity-doo. Oh.
Litecoin halving. So excited. Enjoying my lunch break.
Thank you, Crypto Experiences, for the $5 super chat. I'm excited too, and enjoy your lunch break. I hope you're having something good. I really want a Caesar wrap. That's what I want. Web3 is talking about the CZ Binance stuff. We'll get into that in a second. RPM, what's up? I'll go into that as well. Someone said CZ in the poo-poo. That's funny. Yeah, Mr. Strap is here too. If I missed you, please make sure you say hello. And I will make sure to shout you out. I feel like I got everyone, but I'm just like quickly scrolling through. All right. What's for lunch? Yes, please, Crypto Experiences, tell everyone what you're having for lunch. We're going to continue with the news. Here's like the new news. The news. Okay, so this is what I could get without a paywall because it's like all really new and I'm not subscribing to these MSM people. But Market Watch, this is where I got it from. SEC is filing 13 charges against Binance and founder CZ. The SEC charged Binance Holdings Inc. and its founder CZ Binance with securities law violations on Monday. The regulator alleges that Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, secretly allowed high-value U.S. customers to trade on the platform in violation of the securities laws, which bar unregistered exchanges for servicing U.S. customers. It also alleges that CZ Binance exercised control over customer assets and commingled them with personal and company holdings. Through 13 charges, we allege that Zhao and Binance entities engaged in an extensive web of deception, conflicts of interest, lack of disclosure, and calculated evasion of the law. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler said in a statement on Monday. As alleged, Zhao and Binance misled investors about their risk controls and corrupted trading volumes while actively concealing who was operating the platform, the manipulative trading of its affiliated market maker, and even where and with whom investor-funded crypto assets were custodied, he added. Major cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin and ETH are obviously taking a little bit of a dip today, and they're trying to blame that on CZ. Bro, what? Are you kidding me? This happens every 2 months. They try to come after CZ Binance. Even when they were supposed to be talking about FTX in the courtroom about FTX's case, they brought up CZ Binance and Binance. Why? It does not even make sense at this point. I'm just wondering, what does it take? What the?
First deposit for the wishlist fund.
Shut up, Jimmy. What? Jimmy, shut up, dude. You just gave me a $500 super chat? Why did you? You can't do this to me, Jimmy. I'm already emotional today. I'm not going to cry. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Jimmy, did you like the GIF though? You better rewind that later because it was like one of like people smashing heads, like my old art. Wow, I'm overwhelmed. I think I have to take a minute. Okay. I won't cry. I'm not crying. I'm not doing it today. I can't cry. Jimmy, I can't. Okay. Whew, I'm gonna keep my composure. Thank you so much, Jimmy. Yeah, Kyle, there are still nice people out there. Jimmy's a really cool dude. I spent like the whole day with him yesterday. And his son, like, I'm bewildered. I'm bewildered. Wow. Thank you so much. Whoa. I don't even know how to continue. I must like Uncle Jimmy pulling through. Jimmy, yesterday when we got out of the cab with you, some guy goes, is that a celebrity? I'm like, yeah. I was like, yeah, he is a celebrity. That's actually my Uncle Jimmy. And he was like, oh my gosh, really? I was like, yeah. I was like, he is a celeb. Oh my gosh. Oof. Squigs, you kept it together. Amazing job. LOL. I'm so on the edge. I'm so on the edge. Esteban, thank you for the TikTok. I am so on the edge right now. Wow. Yeah, Boo Man, he is a celebrity. That's why I said it. I was like, yeah, he's a celebrity. I was like, he's also my Uncle Jimmy. Like, you know. Oh my gosh. That is so wild. That is so wild, man. Thank you. What did Jimmy give? Jimmy gave me a $500 super chat, bro. Like, that is so wild to me. Like, well, okay, so, yeah, back to what I was saying. I don't know what it's going to take for CZ Binance to be left alone. And you know what? When I was actually hearing the story breaking about CZ Binance this morning, I started thinking, because obviously they said on the TV, Binance itself is... My computer, I'm literally... Oof. When I was listening this morning about CZ Binance, they were even saying he's the largest crypto exchange. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world. That's why they want to take him out. Even if you look back to the whole Paxos BUSD debacle, the SEC sent Paxos a Wells notice about BUSD, not even about Paxos' own stablecoin. So it doesn't make sense. There's a double standard. Because it was the third largest stablecoin by volume. Binance itself is the largest crypto exchange by volume because they have global support. They don't rely on just the US government for their business. They have their business almost everywhere else. And that is why they're scared. CZ Binance did react. He said which is his code for fund. He said, our team is standing by ensuring systems are stable, including withdrawals and deposits. We will issue a response once we see the complaint. Haven't seen it yet. Media gets the info before we do. That's another thing. Binance doesn't even know what's going on. CZ Binance hears about it last. So do you guys believe the fuck about CZ Binance? Do you think this is FUD?
I'll match every $500 donation with $5.
Thank you, Boo Man, for the $5. I appreciate it. That's very nice of you. That's very nice of you. I'm trying to keep it together, guys. I'm really trying to keep it together. Thank you for the microphone, Esteban. Appreciate it. Do you guys believe what's going on with CZ Binance? If you do, let me know. If you don't, let me know as well. Throw it in the chat. Put a 1 for yes and a 2 for no. Again, CZ Binance has caught every single hit that he could get hit with. How much money do you make? Where are the monies? Where is everything? Binance was one of the first people to put out proof of reserves. They've been more transparent than most people. When CZ was talking about FTT token, all of it, he was transparent. And a lot of people are like, oh, CZ Binance this, CZ Binance that. But because he has a large influence, he should still be able to say what he needs to say, and spread the word about what he needs to spread the word about. And again, this happened not just with CZ Binance, but other exchanges as well, like Gemini and Kraken, where they didn't know anything was happening with the SEC until the media put it out, and they found out last. So these people just get blindsided. He does, again, CZ Binance does have a lot of capital, a lot of people, like people capital, network capital outside of the US. So I do think that Binance and CZ will be fine, hopefully. Again, I don't know what goes on behind closed doors. This is just what I've seen, is that this has just been a constant attack against Binance. Again, I am a proponent of self-custody. When in doubt, take your crypto off of the exchanges. I mean, you should always have your crypto off of the exchanges and in your wallet, so that way you have access to your crypto. Geronimo, what a crappy red day. I mean, listen, man, I understand. I'm not loving it either, but at the same time, I know that Bitcoin is inevitable, and I'm not scared. I just hope that we do rebound soon. Jose, all the fun. Yeah, it is a lot of fun. It's freaking crazy. Geronimo, nice to see you. Be nice to Emma. All I am is nice to Emma. Like, Randy A, cookie for lunch. Yes. Rudy G, nice to see ya. All right. I don't know if I missed anyone. I think I said hi to everyone. Okay. So that's CZ Binance. Then we have Atomic Wallet. Atomic Wallet. Man, I can't even tell you guys how freaking confused I am about what's going on here. I think it's really unfortunate what happened with Atomic Wallet. I think that there wasn't clarity there. And I do think that if you are going to get a wallet, you have to use something that's open source. And someone called it the atomic bomb in the chat, and I kind of agree. So I don't know exactly what happened, but this is the information I have, so I shall share it with you. On June 3rd, 2 days ago, on Saturday, we have Atomic Wallet, a popular wallet in the crypto space. They tweeted, "We have received reports of wallets being compromised. We are doing all that we can do to investigate and analyze the situation. As we have more information, we'll share it accordingly. If you support this is their support contact if you needed help." They then said, "At the moment, less than 1% of our monthly active users have been affected and reported. Last transaction was confirmed over 40 hours ago. Security investigation is ongoing. We report victim addresses to major exchanges and blockchain analytics to trace and block the stolen funds." Now, there are a bunch of scammers in the replies. Of course, Zach XBT has been on it. He is an on-chain sleuth, as you can see. He's been after it for a really long time, but he has been talking about the atomic hack. He said the largest single victim that he observed was over $2.8 million in USDT. And all the victims were messaging him their transaction hashes, so that way he could find them. There are a bunch of things that were being taken. And you guys could just keep up with Zach XBT there. But there was a new victim that was yesterday that got drained of almost $8 million of USDT on the Tron blockchain. Pretty wild what's going on here. Now, again, I'm always a huge proponent of open source code. You guys should always look into the background of a wallet. Atomic Wallet, again, they said they received reports. Several people were reporting their losses. And they said Twitter users have also reported that funds on the Atomic Wallet app have been stolen in the past. People were saying, "This happened to my Bitcoin 6 months ago." They simply replied back, "To protect your password seed phrase." I told them not even possible. All I do is use you to exchange, then move the crypto out. My response to them was, "I will use you no more." And now I was right. And it joins a bunch of crypto hacks that were going on. And they said, unfortunately, the slowdown is most likely a temporary reprieve rather than a long-term trend considering the large-scale attacks. Obviously, this is really scary. No one wants to hear that because, of course, if you go on Atomic Wallet's website, they do say that, again, this is a non-custodial wallet. Your funds cannot be stolen, but it does seem that it was less than 1% of the users, and they haven't warned users to pull out their money. it seems like it could be a malicious attack. Again, Atomic Wallet is not open source. And again, that means not all parts of the code are available for public review. The team from Atomic Wallet said that open source wallets are more vulnerable to attacks and copycats than centralized wallets. But at the same time, you have to open source everything. You cannot trust anything that's not open source. You have to take note. It's really scary. But again, your private keys are everything. Your private keys are everything. The wallets are just a user interface or just a screen display. Just like if you break down what Twitter is, it's just code. If you break down what your messages are, it's just a bunch of ones and zeros. But the messaging app is just a way for you to see that code in a nicer way, which displays your messages, which displays your texts. At the end of the day, it's all code. Atomic Wallet is not open sourcing their stuff. Even that's what we were talking about with Ledger Recover, how they were going to shard up your seed phrases. They delayed that. They delayed that opening or that launch because it's not open source and people will find out what's wrong with it. You need to look into open source projects, open source wallets. If Twitter could be open source, I don't understand why the wallets can't be. Please do your own research. If you have any crypto on Atomic Wallet, then withdraw it. And again, look into open source wallets. Even if they are open source and people copy it, so freaking what? Mostly every wallet uses the same standard to generate these seed phrases, BIP39. Like, hello, that's open source. Keep the rest of it open source as well. Hozkez, thank you for the 12 roses. I appreciate the dozen roses in the love. Oh, Geek, that did not come out right. No. Let's make sure we get 100 likes and 100 live viewers, please. Let's get after it, guys. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, that's not good at all. Shogun Crypto said you love cookies. Yeah, I do. Cookies are amazing, man. I'm so happy I made them. I did a live stream talking about it. I know Alexandra G said in the chat that she was sad that she missed it before, but listen, man, like you guys gotta be here. And I didn't plan it. I'm just joking. But if you guys keep my notifications on, you should be notified when I go live. But that cookie live, I just didn't plan. But if you guys want me to do more of those and actually give you guys a heads up the next time I do it, then I will. Maybe next time instead of Chalky Chip live, I'll do an oatmeal live. Bulldog, thank you for the 2 roses. John, you said you do have Atomic Wallet. Then check your Atomic Wallet, and if you still have your money there, then get it off. Get your crypto off of Atomic Wallet. Go Google an open source wallet and move your crypto over there, John. Emma said the wallet's crashing. Yeah, man, like this is crazy what's going on here right now. I mean, listen, we're not really free falling anymore. We're pretty much just sitting at 25,800. We're not really moving that much. So people, like we had, of course, this almost 5% dip, but like we could take a look at the hourly. It was just 1 hour that we dipped, and you saw some bearish volume come in. So that means that was planned freaking sells right there. Oh, yeah, this was like, it was so funny because on the news they were like, oh, this happened with CZ Binance, and now Bitcoin is all of a sudden taking a dip. This seems like a lot of coordinated volume coming in here. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Binance getting sued. Yeah, I just went over it. I just went over the SEC. I just went over Binance. I just went over everything, American Legend. So if you want to rewind, then definitely go for it. Was I nervous on the helicopter? No, I was having the time of my life. You can ask Jimmy. I had such a good time. For the friend that missed it, hold on. The SEC, they said 13 charges, Binance, blah. CZ Binance responded and was, hold on. CZ Binance responded. Wait, hold on. What is going on here? There we go. CZ Binance responded. He said 4. He was like, this isn't happening. And actually, he just tweeted 4 minutes ago about the SEC accused Binance US of providing trading for securities such as BNB, BUSD, Solana, Cardano, Matic, Filecoin, Atom, Sand, Mana, Algo, AXS, and whoa. It said since the platforms launch, defendants have made available for trading on them crypto assets that are offered and sold as investment contracts and thus as securities. This includes but not limited to BNB, BUSD, and each units of the crypto asset securities further described below. CZ Binance responds and says, a preview of what's next. We need to unite strong together. He just put up. When is this going to end? When is this going to end? All those cryptocurrencies, what are you talking about? Their securities. That is absolutely ridiculous. BUSD, let's talk about BUSD for a minute. BUSD, they said, the SEC said BUSD is a security to Paxos, but not their own stablecoin. And then the CFTC came out and said BUSD is a commodity, but now again they're coming out, the SEC, and saying it's a security. What is the answer? Is BUSD a security or is it a commodity? If it's a security, how can people expect a profit from a stable coin? A stable coin, it does not move in value. It is stable. Am I missing something? Am I missing something? CZ Binance already said this is FUD, saying that we have to unite. There is no clarity on what's a security and what's not because the SEC won't even tell us and define what a digital asset is. Coinbase tried to squeeze them and say, give us the answers. And they said there is no reason why they should give us an answer. So what they're doing is just saying, hey, we don't care. We're just going to say this is a security, this is not a security, and we're all just going to have to deal with it. But if someone's investing in these coins, right, or these tokens, how could you tell them it's a security after the fact, especially when things like Cardano, Matic, Algo, they've been around for years. Gary Gensler himself said he was a fan of Algorand. How do you say that's a security now? There is no clarity. Whenever they give us clarity on what a digital asset is, then we could talk about what's a security and what's a commodity. Because they're trying to litigate these things. But just saying, okay, doing a stamp, okay, this is what I see, security. I see this one, security. Security, security, security. Why don't they give clarity on Ethereum? But they're talking about all these other things. It doesn't make sense. It does not make sense. Gary Gensler, we need answers. People, we need answers. It's not fair that they just slap on a label and we're just going to have to deal with it. When these coins and tokens actually do something, most of them. Like Mana. That's used for a metaverse, man. A lot of these are utility tokens. Like you're going to go on Fortnite and tell all those people that are spending dollars to buy a virtual currency that that's a security? Are you kidding me? That doesn't even make sense. That doesn't even make sense. We need clarity and we need to be our own bank and we need to keep pushing this decentralized financial ecosystem because we know this is all code and they can't stop it. Them naming BNB, BUSD, all these things securities, does it matter? Probably not. You can send receive value whenever you want. Crypto's 24/7, 365 without intermediaries. We don't need them. But it hurts them that they're not on our side. Because CZ is saying this is a preview of what's next. We need to unite. Because other countries are taking advantage. CZ Binance, he's with all these other leaders in other countries that are embracing crypto, embracing Binance, except for us, and this will put us to shame. Be your own bank. Don't give up on cryptocurrency because we know this is inevitable. You know this is the last fight before they join us. They laugh at you. They fight you. Then they join you. Keep that in mind. Let's get 100 likes, please. We have 21 more likes, my friends. 21. 21. Do your thing, 21. Do your thing. Do your thing, 21. Do your thing. Yeah, I really wish that YouTube was cool and I didn't have to worry about copyright because I would put on like clips from all of these songs and we would just be like jamming on this stream, jamming the freak out. Canada isn't embracing Binance. Canada wants to embrace nothing but themselves. Financial failure, what's up? MTC is lit. Retro Mike, where's your pigeon emoji? Well, unfortunately, YouTube is still bullying me. And you know what? If you guys don't believe me, I'll show you. Because I wanted to add more emojis. I checked. I was like, let's emoji our hearts away. You know what YouTube told me? 4 more members. 4 more members. And I feel bad that you guys are coming to the stream and you're like, where are these emojis? And I'm like, I can't even add emojis because YouTube is not nice to me. I'm going to show you guys so you guys don't think I'm lying to you because I am a very truthful individual. Let me see if I could show you. If it reveals anything, then I can't. 1 second. I'm gonna pull it up. Tab, members, customize. Okay, I could show you this. Yeah, guys, look. It's so mean. This is where I add it. My perks for you guys, all the emojis. I want to add another emoji. It says no. It says 4 more members needed. So I'm not lying to you guys. YouTube is just bullying me a little bit. So I will add more members when I can. Oh, Geek of All Trades, you get me a member. Yay, I appreciate it. 3 more. If we get 3 more people to join as a member today, because I don't know if the gifting counts. I think it's like people that actually sign up. I don't know. Thank you, Geek of All Trades. I appreciate it. Guys, if you do become a member, if you want to shower Geek of All Trades with some love, please drop some member emojis in the chat. Show them off. Show them off. Let's get 6 more likes for 100 likes, please. War players going on those likes. Jano, it says, I will click again when you have 99 likes because you want to be 100 again. Hopefully. You don't believe me. I just showed you, Mike. Hi, Chemo and Crypto. Nice to see you. I just showed you. I'm not lying to you. I promise. I promise. I don't lie. It's not, you know, there's no point of lying. Lying is for, like, bad people. Speaking of hacks, guys, so Atomic Wallet got some sort of hack. There's no clarity on what happened there. They're not open source, which is automatically a little bit of a red flag. Now, 2 people over the weekend, I believe there was one more, and if you guys could remind me of who that was, that would be great. But Peter Schiff and John DEATON Twitter accounts got hacked. Now, if you remember, I think it was around 2020 where other figures on Twitter were getting hacked and they were trying to say, send me Bitcoin. Zippy, you became a Zesty friend. Thank you so much, Zippy. Not just a friend, but a Zesty friend. Oh my sheesh, guys. Oh my sheesh. Welcome with some Zesty emojis. Thank you. 2 more members, guys. 2 more members. It reminds me of around 2020 where people were getting hacked on Twitter and they were saying, send Bitcoin here, send Bitcoin here. And it actually ended up being some sort of teenager that that got hacked, that was doing the hacking. Now, Peter Schiff got hacked and he was showing some gold coin, so it wasn't him, obviously. And his son, Spencer Schiff, said, do not click this link. My dad is in London. It's 4 a.m., which means he was almost certainly hacked. He's not responding to any of my texts. So Peter Schiff got hacked over the weekend. And John DEATON. John DEATON is a huge lawyer in the space. They hacked him, shilling this law token. And it said, we invite you to claim your law in some fake link. So please do not click on it. I just wanted to let you guys know. Crypto Law said this is not John DEATON. And then Jordan DEATON, who is his daughter, said, this is John E. DEATON tweeting from my daughter's account. I still do not have access to my Twitter. Twitter informed me that it could still take 1 to 3 days. Elon, this must be fixed. Worst case, I will see you on Crypto Law US's Tuesday live stream to discuss. So again, this is craziness. Community Notes did jump in and said, please don't click this link. So go off Community Notes on Twitter for letting people know that this is some fake stuff. And just watch out, because a lot of the time when you're seeing these accounts shilling some token and it doesn't make sense, most likely it doesn't make sense and they were hacked. So this is what's going on. Atomic Wallet got hacked. Twitter accounts got hacked. So please do not click on any links. Do not click on anything on Twitter unless you know for sure. If you are going to an exchange website, type out the full URL, like twitter.com. If you type out everything, do not click any links. People are sending emails, phishing emails as well, to claim tokens, to join some memberships. Do not do it. Do not give away your private keys. Do not click these emails as well, because they're sending pretend emails from pretending to be wallets, exchanges, saying click this link, recover your funds. It is fake. It is fake. Please watch out. Please be safe. Watch every link. Don't give away your private keys. And if you want to sign up to a new website or play a new game in Web3, whatever it may be, use a different burner wallet. Create a different wallet and just use that for play. That is my tip. Be safe. Esteban, thank you for the lightning bolt. Bitcoin and Litecoin matter. Trust. I love Litecoin and Bitcoin. Raj said the kid who hacked Twitter is facing a maximum of 77 years and will be sentenced on the 23rd of this month. Is that true, Raj? Wow, that's insane. That's insane. Because I know he did try to take a lot of money. But what about SBF? Like, that took like billions of dollars of people and still playing League of Legends on his mom's iPhone. Like, I don't know. MetaMask, thank you for the love. They want 150 likes. I agree. Yay, we're over 100. We're getting after it. We got a $500 super chat, a $5 super chat, a few other super chats, and members. We are so lit today, guys. We only need 2 more members. Like I said, 2 more members, and I can add more emojis for you guys. Bro, like, stop creeping on there. Like, sheesh. So weird on TikTok. Some of these guys have no manners. No manners. Okay. Elon Musk making moves out here. So at 2 p.m. Eastern today, Elon Musk is supposed to have Robert F. Kennedy, a Democratic presidential candidate for 2024 on Twitter Spaces. If you do remember, Elon Musk just recently had Ron DeSantis on Twitter Spaces. They were talking about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Ron says everyone has the right to do Bitcoin, and Elon said, and Dogecoin. Now, it seems as though, and we know it basically is at this point, Twitter is the new news. Twitter is breaking news. We are getting news in real time on Twitter. Even if you look at the news, where are they getting their news? Twitter.com. Of course, Elon Musk gets hit from every angle. Elon bad, free speech bad, Dogecoin bad. Well, now Elon is facing a Dogecoin lawsuit. We got to talk about it because it's making me sad. Elon is being accused of insider trading. How ridiculous is that? In a proposed class action by investors accusing the Tesla CEO of manipulating the cryptocurrency Dogecoin, costing them billions. In a Wednesday night filing in Manhattan federal court, investors said that Musk used Twitter posts, paid online influencers, his 2021 appearance on Saturday Night Live, and other publicity stunts to trade profitability at their expense through several Dogecoin wallets that he or Tesla controls. Investors concluded that when Elon sold about $124 million of Doge in April, after he replaced Twitter's blue bird logo with the Dogecoin Shiba Inu dog logo, leading to a 30% jump in Dogecoin's price. Musk bought Twitter last October. A deliberate course of carnival banking, market manipulation, and insider trading enabled Elon to defraud investors, promote himself and his companies, the filing said. He also bought Twitter last October. He runs SpaceX and Tesla. Poor Elon, look at his face. Does he deserve this? He looks so serious. Look, Elon, come on, man. This is an open source cryptocurrency. You're coming after this guy who's literally meeting with more people and more world leaders than our own government is? I mean, sheesh. There was a lawyer for Elon Musk, Alex Spiro, that did decline to comment on it. But why should they comment on it? Because they don't need to comment on it, to be honest. People are saying that his Twitter logo switch to Doge was raised as evidence for this lawsuit. To me, I don't understand how people could say that. I think what people need to understand is that it's just like talking about Bitcoin. Him talking about Bitcoin, is that bad? No, because Dogecoin, again, is a decentralized proof of work blockchain. Anyone could talk about Doge anywhere. So I don't believe that that is considered insider trading if you're just talking about Doge. He replaced a logo for the Twitter bird. What if he did it as an Apple? Would he get in trouble for pumping Apple stock? No. It just because it's a cryptocurrency thing. And they're trying to push back crypto because they are scared. And they're scared of Doge because Elon wants Doge to potentially become the world's currency, period. maybe an extraterrestrial currency as well if we start traveling outside the Earths. Now, on all serious notes, Dogecoin, it's proof of work. It's decentralized. Anyone could talk about Doge. It's just technology. And I don't believe that's considered insider trading. I'm not a lawyer by any sense, so I'm not giving any legal or financial advice. I'm just letting you guys know what is going on with Dogecoin and how hard they're trying to push us against crypto and trying to scare people. Because at the end of the day, that's what this does. It deters people with maybe larger followings from talking about cryptocurrency because they might get smacked by the SEC and by all of these government entities, and it's just not right. So if you guys are for Doge, you love Doge, you're having a time with Doge, and you're excited to see what the future has for it, then make sure you smash these likes and comment below your feelings on Dogecoin. Again, Dogecoin today is taking a dip with the rest of the market, falling below 7 cents, currently at 6.5 cents today. This too shall pass. I feel you. Johnny, thanks for subscribing. Whoa. Oh, Zippy, I thought you lost something on your wallet. Crypto anti-dead. Oh, ain't dead. Sorry, my eyes are horrible. Thank you for the 7 roses, and thank you, Esteban, for the donut. Are they scared of Pepe too? Probably, because you know what? Pepe hit $1 billion market cap, and the mainstream didn't cover it at all. So yeah, they're scared of it, because at the same time that Pepe was pumping, reaching $1 billion market cap, things like First Republic were failing, literally going to zero. Bank stocks are still down, wrecked. So yeah, they're scared of Pepe because people are investing in an actual meme coin that doesn't have utility over stocks. And they're doing better. Some people are doing better, considering that Doge did drop, but the rest of the market sucks too. Big love. Thank you for the big love juice box. Why were you muted from the live? Because you asked a weird question, bro. Best opportunity to buy coins at a 10% discount. Who else thinks the same way? You know, that could be looked at as a good thing. A discount, like literally pullbacks are buying opportunities, as they say, by the dips. But you know, glasses for MTC. I think I need them. It's so bad. I was reading like a tweet off of my computer. Like I remember I was talking to my fam about something. I was like, oh, this tweet, blah, blah. And I was just like reading something I saw. And I just like saw this one word. Like I was sitting back like this looking at my computer. And I just got the word completely wrong. And I was like, that doesn't make sense. And I had to literally squint and look closer like this. I think I'm going blind. Crypto is a great equalizer. It scares them. Yo, nifty guy. That is alpha. That is alpha. Looks like Bitcoin heading to a new lower low. I mean, we're at 25.7 right now. We didn't fall below the lowest part of the day. So, Sin City's #1 rule: don't be a weirdo. Apparently, that's my #1 rule too. Listen, I'm weird. I'm a wackadoodle. Like, you know, I'm a very weird individual. One person. I'm a very weird individual, and I embrace my weirdism. But like, yeah, when you veer off and you cross that line, like you need to get muted, or get booted, if it's that bad. I need glasses or contacts. Oh man, yeah. I think I have to go to the eye doctor. Now, of course, huge institutions are going to continue coming into crypto. It's inevitable. Google Cloud recently integrated with Coinbase, where you could pay your Google Cloud services with cryptocurrency. You know, they're interested in Solana and a few other blockchains. Well, now Google is making their move into Bitcoin, period. Take a look. Google Cloud tweeted on June 1st, 4 days ago, an innovation comes out of the blockchain space, and it's the Lightning Network, a protocol for sending money on the internet via Bitcoin. Read how Voltage Cloud, an LaaS provider, scales Bitcoin and Lightning Network infrastructure with Google Cloud. So again, they're using Voltage is using Google Cloud to scale Bitcoin Lightning Network, and they want to enable blockchain payments. So this is something that's really odd, something that honestly a lot of people didn't think that would ever happen. But again, Voltage serves brands that have payments at the core of their business, such as financial or fintech companies. And they want to save money on transfer costs and cross-border payments. They're not using CBDCs, they're using Lightning. Now, they're using Google Cloud to expand hosting providers and locations, and through the collaboration, customers can create Bitcoin and Lightning nodes in Google Cloud at a variety of locations around the world. By using Voltage and Google Cloud, customers can deploy their workloads globally with 2 leading providers. So this is giving you accessibility, and they're saying they're solving problems like helping enterprises handle money transfers, using the interoperable Lightning Network where you could reach a global audience. And Voltage enables microtransactions, which haven't been successful with traditional payment methods because they're too expensive and too slow. Now, they're going to give some capability to a global audience, deployments on the leading cloud with superior availability and networking, and the ability to effortlessly run a Bitcoin infrastructure close to existing workloads. And they're already working with existing cryptocurrencies, but they want to show support with crypto like Bitcoin because they do know that it's inevitable. Even Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin, worked at Google, and they didn't even want to do anything with Bitcoin at the time, which is why Charlie originally left, did Litecoin. I believe he made Litecoin while he was still at Google, and then left Google, and then did Coinbase, so on and so forth. And he is the legend he is now. But Google was slow on their crypto game, but now they're seeming to jump pretty ahead here. And of course, big companies and big brands and big services like this are inevitably going to continue talking about Bitcoin and integrating it. So Google's new news is here. Google isn't the only people that are working on blockchain right now. JP Morgan, you hear the sounds, you hear the word, you hear the name JP Morgan, and us crypto people just go, oh, shivers. Listen, we know JPM, the JP Morgan token, they tried it. I don't really know if it's still around anymore, but they tried it. They probably got mad, and then they told people, I will fire you if you buy Bitcoin. Meanwhile, JP Morgan has been acquiring cryptocurrency. Isn't that weird? In addition, JP Morgan also got approved in November 2022 after 2 years, so that means at least in 2020 they applied for it, their crypto wallet trademark and patent. They got that approved after 2 years of waiting. So are they into cryptocurrency or are they not? Obviously, they want to work with other banks. They want to work with the central banks because they want the banks to win. Yay, banks, yay. Now, JP Morgan, we're going to get into the new news. 6 Indian banks are settling dollar trades on Onyx blockchain, and JP Morgan is included in that. JP Morgan has teamed up with 6 Indian banks to settle interbank dollar transaction on its blockchain-based trading platform, Onyx. This investment bank will run a pilot over the coming months alongside HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Yes Bank, and Indulson Bank, and JPM's own banking unit in India. The aim of the project is to settle dollar trades in real time around the clock, as opposed to over a matter of days and only during the week. Onyx, established in 2020, is the banking giant's digital assets network for settling wholesale payment transactions. Now, is this going to lead to wholesale CBDCs? That is my question. The headquarters is still in Gujarat International Finance Tech City, or GIFT City, which is India's attempt to establish an international finance hub to the likes of Singapore and Dubai. And JP Morgan didn't really respond immediately to the comment. But JP Morgan's getting involved in multiple countries using their blockchains. So this isn't the first country for JP Morgan to get involved with. Now, of course, they're trying to use different blockchains, but even Google is saying they're using a Lightning Network to transact and do microtransactions, but it seems like this is more of a wholesale thing. So we're going to see how this all works out, but I do know that this could be a lead up for central bank digital currencies, but it's inevitable that all of these big brands, payment processors, banks, all of them are getting involved in crypto. Just like Kenya's central bank. Kenya's central bank is taking a stance on central bank digital currencies, but we're going to see if they really are in favor of it. The Central Bank of Kenya said pain points in the country's payment systems can be addressed by innovation structured around the existing ecosystems and that CBDCs may not be a compelling priority. In a statement published on Twitter, the central bank said it received more than 100 comments on a consultation in February, and respondents came from 9 countries and included representatives from commercial banks and institutions. Respondents of the highlighted benefits of a central bank digital currency, such as increased efficiency, risks of including high implementation costs, and financial exclusion, it said. The central bank said countries that had issued a CBDC faced issues and have hampered implementation, and that the recent instability of crypto market has amplified concerns. Nigeria also faced a lot of issues when they introduced their e-naira. Billions were wiped out of the crypto market because of the crypto winter. And it says the allure of a CBDC is fading, said the Central Bank of Kenya. The bank will continue to monitor developments in CBDCs to inform future assessments. They're not really keen on it, but it seems that they think that adoption won't happen with the central bank digital currency, given that maybe they'll just release it anyway. We already know that a bunch of countries are already doing that, but I hope that that's not the case, and I hope Kenya stands strong and says that they don't want a CBDC. But also, if you take a note, Kenya is also has a push by African nations to ditch the US dollar. So also keep that in mind, that as they're saying, we're not sure if we want CBDCs. Kenya also had a president that asked African leaders to take steps towards ditching the globally bullish US dollar by signing up to a pan-African payment system to facilitate trade within the continent. He urged his peers to join the Pan-African Payments and Settlement System, which was launched in January 2022. They said they're struggling to make payments for goods and services from one country to another because of different currencies. And in the middle of all these, we are all subjected to a dollar environment. They want to ditch the dollar. So Kenya, they're not sure about CBDCs, but they don't like the dollar either. So it seems like they're making their own payment infrastructure called Pan-African Payments and Settlement Systems, which is PAPSS. And that was launched in January 2022. So already over a year old. Well, we're going to see what happens with Kenya. This is actually really interesting what's going on here. Calling for a ditch of the US dollar, raising their own payment system, and saying that they're really not keen on CBDCs. We're going to head over to maybe some more exchange drama and more drama within the space. Well, we'll talk about DoKwon first. Now, DoKwon, we know he tried to escape Montenegro with some fake passports. He was in jail, locked up, little DoKwon. And now there was a bail request, and it got approved. He had a $428,000 bail request in a fake passport case, and this was approved by the Montenegro court. In March, he were arrested in Montenegro for attempting to travel with falsified documents. And the basic court had already approved the bail request, but it was annulled after prosecution appealed the decision, and a higher court said the first approval was not based on a sound assessment. The court appreciated the fact that there are persons who are not Montenegrin citizens, which is why it accepted their statements about the value of the property they own, which were supported by concrete evidence. The case also requires authorities in Belgium to verify the authenticity of travel documents Kwon and Han had in their possession, and the accused could face a prison sentence of up to 5 years. So the two South Korean nationals are due back in court on June 16th, and the prosecution has 3 days to appeal the bail decision. So DoKwon could be out free. Later, DoKwon. Peace. Now, more money. That's all we hear about. Concerning what? FTX. Now, we know that there could be an FTX reboot coming about. But what about all the people that did not get their money back? I am so sad. Where are the answers? Well, here's more money that's being thrown around. New York's Met Museum agreed to return $550,000 in the FTX donations. They agreed to return the payments made in March and May last year by FTX's U.S. entity, West Realmshire Services, bought with, I believe, customer funds. The Met wishes to return the donations to the FTX debtors, and the FTX debtors and the Met have been engaged in good faith, arm's-length negotiations concerning the truth. SBF was a promoter and raised funds by the exchange to support various worthy causes. But now a lot of those have to be returned. But If this $550,000 was returned, where does it go? Not to the people. I'm waiting for that. Billions, literally so far they even told us billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars have been recovered for FTX, but where is everyone's money? Be your own bank, my friends. Be your own bank. Ooh, Lazarus is here. My ninja. Andrew, nice to see you. You made it today. We got 118 likes. Let's continue to smash these likes. Share the stream out with friends. If you guys have not, make sure you guys check out mytweeter.com. And let me pull up the link to my Twitter. And I do post exclusive content on there if you guys want to check that out. And you guys could subscribe, so you guys could follow and hit that pink pill that says subscribe for exclusive content over there. I know there's been a bunch of people that have subscribed and have enjoyed it so far. So make sure you guys check that out and subscribe over there on twitter.com/missteencrypto. And we only need 2 more members on YouTube here for us to be able to get some more emojis and do some more stuff for you guys. Alexandra said, and billions. Yes, and billions. And billions. I will be sitting on the moon with 150 likes. Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Let's continue to smash those likes. Share the stream out with friends. Lord of Cages, this channel will be huge in the next bull run. Can't wait to see it. Man, I hope so. I am working so hard to be able to do that and make it. It's really difficult, guys. It's hard. I'm doing my best, to say the least, right now. Boom, man, you gave me your first gift on TikTok. That's a donut. Thank you. I appreciate it. But yeah, I'm working so hard, guys. It's a difficult time, I think, for everybody. Like I said, Bitcoin, crypto, the market, the sideways trading, it's going to push you to your limits. And we believe in the space, and that's why we're here. So I love this so much. I love what I do every single day, and I hope I get to continue doing it every single day. And yeah. It's called pulling the bow back, then you shoot the arrow. Yeah. Things will be good. Yes, I agree. I'm trying not to get sad right now and emotional, but things will be good, and I know they will be. We are all going to make it, and I'm sure of that. I'm sure of it. Everyone on YouTube seems sad. I don't know why I'm so emotional today. I think it's a mix of the happiness that Jimmy Super Chat, the day I had with him yesterday, just a lot of things going on in life. They're just woo. I'm really happy. I love what I do. Everything's just really difficult. And I know we all have it, and that's why we're here together. We're all a part of the same team. Hold on. Hi, Echo Leaf Moo. We're all on the same path. We're all working really hard, and that's what you have to do. You have to work hard. Obviously nothing comes easy. But I really love what I do, and I'm so happy I'm here. So thank you for that. Echo Leaf, don't cry for me. I got it. I won't cry for you. Yeah, divine timing. I agree. I agree. Listen, it pushes you to your limits. This is what the market does. And I know that Bitcoin is inevitable. Everything here is inevitable. I know that we are building so good. This channel is building so well. So KP, thank you. You're changing lives for the better. I appreciate that so much. Alexandra, I appreciate you too. It's crazy. It's really crazy. This point that we're at now, I couldn't imagine, in high school, being where I'm at now. But I know this is only the beginning. everyone has their story, you know? Ah, damn, I really burned my arm. Yeah, I did. Oh my gosh, guys. I burned my arm last week. So you guys can probably see where I burned it too. Like on the cookie live stream, I was just like, I was walking by the tray. Like I'm so clumsy, guys. Like I was just like walking by the tray and I was like, ow. It was just a tap too. But yeah, I keep putting burn stuff on it, so it'll be okay. You know, I'm not like upset. I'm not upset about that. I hurt myself all the time. Like I'm always like, I always like drop stuff, but it's okay. Everything will be good, cliche or not. We're all gonna make it. We got this. Yes, I absolutely agree with you. We really are going to make it. Like, and when we do, like, we're gonna look back and we're gonna be like, we went through that, but we succeeded, and it's gonna be like the best feeling ever, for real. It's going to be the best feeling ever. So thank you guys for supporting me. Boo Man, thank you for the donut. Johnny waves to you over on TikTok. Cookie scars are the best scars. I agree. Listen, like, there was this other burn I had on my hands like a few years ago. Like, that was just like this. Like, I was like walking by a pot and I just like hit the pot by accident. Like, you know, sometimes you're like in the kitchen. Like I was talking, I was just like, you know, that happens when you're in the kitchen. You just like, you get a little hurt sometimes. It's just the way it goes. Everyone has that. Binance and CZ reacted. Yes, we went over that. We did go over that. A nice watch. Which one is that? This is a Coin Vigilante watch. I'll take it off so you guys can see. It's a Coin Vigilante watch. It's a little Bitcoin on there. So yeah, that's my watch. It always goes like so good with my outfits, so I just like keep wearing it. We will keep supporting you. Thank you. Any support, you know, I will take. James said, hope Bitcoin hits 100K soon so I could participate in the super chat. It's okay, man. Like, you know, all the contributions, like you know, whether it's a like, a view, a comment, like, you know, I'm here for it. You know, you guys already support me so much, and I really do appreciate it. And I don't want to like bring the vibes down because I am a really happy person. I really like, you know, I'm always really hype on here. You don't know how to send multiple donuts. I don't know how to gift on TikTok either. I wish I could help you out, man. Boo, man. I appreciate it though. It's always easier on YouTube. Like, it's just always easier over there. Even though with TikTok, I believe I get more of it on TikTok. And that one link that you guys could send through with the fiat. So, yeah. Darth Dude, Lifer sending love. Thank you. I appreciate it. Living your zestiest life. Yeah, I'm trying. Do another cooking impromptu show. I want to do that. I really do. Gordon said, we're going to keep supporting you. Thank you. I appreciate that. No, G, you're my #1 fan. I appreciate that too. Yeah, everything's going to be okay, friends. Oh, Zippy. Thank you for gifting 5 memberships. I appreciate it. Now I'll probably be able to add some stickers. So that's awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, make sure you guys accept that gift. Thank you. I appreciate that. Let's get some hype. Don't stress and keep doing you. I am. Your ice cream is melting too fast. I'm dead. Balance, yes. Hope it's enough for an emote. It should be. I needed 2 more. And I don't know if that's like individual people just signing up or the gifts. So I'm going to find out. Probably I'm going to let it process because YouTube's really slow. So maybe by tomorrow morning before I go live, I should be able to add more emojis. Oh, okay. Got you, Boo Man. Got you. Echo, we don't care. We do not dare because things are difficult. But because we do not dare. I kind of like that. Yeah, like, listen. Oh, Alexandra G, you love the MTC swing. I love that gift too. What's up, Rick? What's up, Brian? Hi from Kansas. Nice to see ya. Yeah, I mean, listen, things are like nothing's easy. Obviously, like, you know, that's why I like having people on my show as well, because like it just shows like people have gone through like, you know, have nothing, were nothing, and then became something. And I think that's really inspirational. And I think that we're all working towards like a really big thing in life. And like, I just know there's so much out there for me. I know there's so much out there for all of us. So we're just going to go out and like grab it and just like keep getting after it, you know? That's all we could do is just keep getting after it and do as much as we can for as long as we can. And yep. Jamie said nothing's easy, especially trying to get DoKwon's ledger. What about SPF's ledger? He's hiding it in his hair. You can't even get that out. The American dream. Yeah, I mean, listen, like, I think crypto doesn't even, it makes everyone's dreams come true, not even the American dream, you know what I mean? So, I think, like, it doesn't even matter where you're from or like what you do. Like Bitcoin could give you that opportunity, crypto could give you that opportunity. Zippy said if you don't try you'll get nowhere, and I understand, dude. I've been after this for over 3 years. I've been in this space 3 years. Like people forget, people think I'm like a little kid. Like I've been here since I was 17. I'm 20 now. Like, you know, I've been here for a really long time. Thank you, American Legend. Wow, go off, Benny. Thank you for all the love. Front lawn with green grass. Maybe one day. I don't like, you know, who knows? But yeah, I mean, listen, guys, everything's okay. Like everything's gonna be okay. I know that we're all going to make it, and that's all that really matters. But don't listen to the FUD that's out there. And like, if you guys have to go, we all have to touch some freaking grass. You know, a lot of people on Twitter are yelling at each other right now. People are all like, you know, getting caught up in like some crazy stuff. I don't think that you guys should worry about it. Stay positive. Oh, Jim, thank you for the 5 roses over there. Aaron, thank you for the love. Listen, guys, like I said, don't listen to the FUD. There's going to be FUD no matter what. There's always going to be FUD. They, you know, this Binance stuff, all of this is just coming out of the woodworks just to scare us. And we just have to keep hodling. We have to keep calm. We have to hodl on. We have to stay zesty. We have to keep on going. And don't yell at each other on Twitter. Stop calling other people stupid. Like, you know, let's stop fighting with each other, because if one wins, we all win. And I just hate going on Twitter and seeing this one yelling at this one doing that. Like, guys, like, let's just chill out. Go outside, touch grass. We don't need to fight with each other. We don't need to rush anything. People are trying to maybe rush the next bull market. Like, it will be here. We are on the edge. I feel it, guys. We are on the edge of something freaking huge. We're really right there. We're right there. Digi, thank you for becoming a member. I appreciate it. Guys, please spam the member emojis. Give Digi some love. Digi has always been a friend of ours. He's one of my original NFT holders as well. No G said he waters grass. That's good. Marsolo said, I just hodl throughout this clown season. Yeah, I mean, listen, this is like, you know, oh, financial failure. You're over there on TikTok. You gave me your first gift as a donut. And thank you, Boo Man, for the dozen donuts. I appreciate it. I love donuts. I posted a picture over the weekend of me with a donut. Have a good one, Randy A. American Legend, I am active again on my membership and will renew. I had to get things in order. You're all good. You're all good, Legend. Thank you. I appreciate it. Let's look at the market. Are we doing okay? Oh, we're at $25,620 Bitcoin. I hope we don't go lower than this, because we had that low before of 25.4. Yeah, I hope we don't go lower. Oh, sheesh. 25,599. Woo! What's market Cipher saying? What is the hourly? Sheesh, man. I don't know, friends. We know this is inevitable. Don't worry. 15K, I don't know. We will get through it. We will. I know we will. Everything's going to be okay, friends. We're going to keep calm. We're going to hodl on. I will see you guys tomorrow for the Daily Zest once again. I'll be back at 12 p.m. Eastern. I'm excited to get this week going because I really do feel like there's a really big thing coming. Do you remember when I made an NFT of me raining Bitcoin for Coin 2021? The only few NFT I ever made was you and Dogecoin kid. Oh my gosh, is that in my? I feel like that should be in my wallet, right? I feel like that should be in my wallet. Oh my gosh. We've been there before, and it will go up again. I know Bitcoin is inevitable. I'm not worried. So I think we should all keep calm, hodl on, stay zesty. Sam 2020. Oh, sheesh. He said, look at my crypto queen, and gave me a hand heart. I appreciate that. Thank you. Appreciate that. Friends on TikTok just showering me with love. You gave me another one. Thank you, Sam. Appreciate it. You have to cut your grass. Then cut your grass, friends. Cut your grass. Thank you, Sam 2020, for helping us achieve our goal today. Appreciate that. Feelings and cookies. Oh, sheesh. You're being salty against the feelings and cookies. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Stay chill, miss, heading over to the line dance. Echo, moo, moo. Yeah, man, I want to line dance so bad. Listen, I'm still waiting, Echo. I'm still waiting, dude. I'm still waiting. I want to line dance. I want to party. Like, I want to have a cowboy hat and go yee, yeehaw. You know, I want to do that. It'll be fun. Kung Fu time. Go off, my ninja. Kung Fu your heart away. Have a great day, friends. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate every single one of you. I appreciate you guys being here. You guys are the family. We are the Zesty fam. Ovalbor said chalky chips for the win. Absolutely. You guys said you wanted to go on a helicopter and cookies, which the poll has won. We got this, guys. Thank you so much for coming. I will see you later. Make sure if you enjoyed this show to smash the likes, subscribe, comment after this is over. Let us know how you feel about this week. Let me know how you feel about Bitcoin today. If you think we're going to make a new lower low for this year, let me know. Or if you think we're going to make new lower low for the past 2 months. Let me know how you guys feel. Have a great day. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.